Good morning, everyone. This morning we are on the Canastota rail trail. Skate park over here on the right side of us. Railroad tracks to the left. This morning, actually now 8 o'clock, the timestamp on here a little messed up. It's also May, not April. But anyways, excuse me. A little bit of a morning bicycle ride. This morning I am on my way to Walmart to pick up a waterproof case for the GoPro. I want to take it swimming with me. I don't know how eventful the trail ride here will be. This is a paved trail. It runs along the railroad tracks. The train on the tracks, in fact. Supposed to be a mild day. Temperatures supposed to hit 72 degrees, and of course it's gonna rain. Wow, what were the chances of that happening? A morning bicycle ride and a train on the tracks. We have a new kiosk down here. Nothing's on it yet. Coming soon, maybe. Make sure to clean up after your pets. This used to be a dirt path not too many years ago. Just come back here and ride four-wheelers, snowmobiles in the winter. Used to get a lot of water down here and flood. They've done a lot for the whole drainage thing. Nifty little building down here you can sit and take a break at. It's got water, little creek flowing behind or next to it. I guess you can call it the drainage from all the water that collects down here. Pretty long train. Still riding alongside of it over there on the left. Hear geese honking. There's another kiosk spot. Some new items down here since I've been along the trail last. a lot of water over in the ditch. Moving right along. Train's picked up a lot of speed now, as it's moving right along over there. Nice little trail side building coming up. It's got an LED solar light. You can come down here in the night time, enjoy peace of mind, maybe surf the web a little bit, read some book, I don't know. Popular spot to come down and relax with Kyle in the summertime. Still riding right alongside the train. I'm pretty sure I'm only gonna video the 2 trail segments between here and Walmart. The first trail segment I'm on now goes from the village of Canastota to, I think it's called Donald Hicks Dew Road. I'm not sure. I'll stop recording there.